Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my another branch video. So I am Mahmoud bin Saleh present here, and today I have a special guest. We are going to make a real conversation for you guys. So I think end of the video you will try to watch the video so that you can understand the video what we are going to talk about. Okay. So now I'm going to ask him some questions. So first of all, I would like to say, how are you doing today?
Oh, I'm on cloud nine, absolutely. But
Okay.
I feel a little bit tired, so yeah,
You're okay, right?
yeah,
Okay, I have more questions for you. Are you ready?
yeah, of course.
Okay, so the first question is that you have to describe about something, your village. Okay, so today's topic is about village, how we can exactly say something. So first of all, you will be getting 2 minutes for saying something, these topics, and then you have to make understand your viewers how they can say something. So are you ready for that?
Okay,
Okay, you may start.
okay. First of all, well, I can say my village name is Santoshpur. It's located in Sa Madhupur sub-district and Hobbyganj district. So, in a word, I can say my village is so beautiful because sometimes in the evening time, many people they come to visit such kind of place because in our village there are different types of actually place. It's really gorgeous to wander, to capture photo, and many people, many families member with together they come to visit somewhere, and those who are watching this video they're also watching that info behind us, small I can see river. It's really amazing, right?
Look at this one.
Yeah, so actually such kind of thing. And also our village has one uh, BDC farm
Yeah.
next to our village, so the farm is
This is
totally
the
amazing. Yeah,
symbol of BDC farm,
this
and
is a
it's
part
called
of
boundary,
yeah
right?
boundary. This is the part of BDC farm. So BDC farm actually totally gorgeous. And you know, in the village there are many people. We are just they are cultivating paddy fields or something different types of paddies they are cultivating right now, and it's going on 12 months. So yeah, that's the thing actually, and I really like appreciate their work. And from childhood to old men, they are also actually those are Gen Z or more than more than old people. They are trying to motivate children. They are trying to motivate us so that how we can grow up our life, how we can going our life very well.
Okay, so do you feel tired?
Yeah, sometimes a little bit. That's why I told you.
Okay, so why do you feel tired? You have to tell me something.
Okay, so today actually I didn't practice anymore any much. So for this reason actually I maybe approximately more than 10 hours I slept. So
Oh
for this
my
reason
god,
actually I'm tired.
it's
And
huge amount time.
yeah, yeah. So for this reason actually I don't feel like making video as well as talking for my
Because of
viewers.
more sleeping, right?
More sleeping, yeah.
Yeah,
And I
so
didn't,
what do you think?
that's why actually even I didn't focus on my activities.
You feel lazy after
Yeah,
waking up, right?
right.
So it's a problem of actually sleeping more, right? So what do you want to say for your viewers? Should they sleep more like you, or they should sleep little?
And absolutely, they should sleep little, because if someone wants to be a good, someone wants to go their destination, own destination. Like there are so many people they want to be a teacher, speaker, Englishman. So
Yeah.
definitely they should focus their daily activities. How can they overcome their obstacles? How can they overcome their problem? So yes, if or instead of if they will sleep more, how can focus, how
Yeah.
they can focus on their daily activities. So yeah.
Yeah, okay. I have a question. That is, how many mosques in your village can you say?
Yeah, of course, there are two mosques in my
Okay,
village.
so can you please tell me the name?
First one is uh,
In Bangla, no problem.
okay. Actually, first one is actually I forgot their.
Alaksa, Jagdish.
Yeah,
Santeshpura Alaksa.
Santoshpur Al-Aqsa Jami Masjid, and another one is I forget their.
Jagdish, Santeshpur
No,
Puratan Jami Masjid.
Puratan Jami Masjid. Yeah. Oh my
Okay,
God.
which
Actually,
mosque you usually Sapier, Jagdish, Santashpur,
Santashpur Puratan Jama Masjid.
Al-Aqsa or Puratan
Jama
Masjid?
Masjid, yes.
Puratan Jama Masjid.
Yes.
So do you think this, what types of things actually into the mosque? Can you please tell me?
Into the mosque.
Yeah.
Oh, I can say tiles, pillar.
Okay.
Okay. Right now our mosque is working there. So there are so many problems here, like is called boundary. Some people they are trying to do boundary surrounded the mosque, right? And in this mosque there are so many fans and what can I say? Different types of things
There.
are there. Yes,
Like fans,
fan
light.
and Quran Sharif.
Yeah, Holy Quran.
Holy
Okay,
Quran.
go this side. Okay, so can you please tell us some routes in your village which is really beautiful, where people or tourists they usually come? Can you please
Yeah,
tell us?
in my village, inside the village, there are one road, and it's from Jagodeshpur, Chashi Market to Jagodeshpur Shabagan. It's the one route, and many people um,
They come here,
they
right?
come here by this route,
Yes.
using this
So
route.
I think that's all about today's video. You can show the route so that our uh, tourists can
Yeah,
understand.
it's
so that
another
they can
another
come.
route. Yes.
Yeah, this is the last part of Santashpur, and this is the last road of Santashpur. And beside this road, there is a wonderful, there is an incredible road where many tourists or many peoples they come together with their friends or with their family members. So I think those are really living besides Santashpur. You can also come for visiting purpose, and it will be better for you. And we will be also receiving you so that you can be understanding the natural beauty of Santashpur. So that's all about today's video. I don't like to make it more longer. Assalamu alaikum.